studies. I am discussing about 15th chapter National Liberation Movements in the countries. Already discussed two countries' liberation movements. First one, China Liberation Movement. China Liberation Movement's importance, the movement leaders, all things completed. Second one, Vietnam Liberation Movement. Vietnam Liberation Movement, the Vietnam got independent this year. The Vietnam movement leader, all things are, all information discussed. Today, Nigerian liberation. Vietnam, China, Asian continent countries. I mean Asian countries. Here, Nigeria, it is a African country, African continent country. The Nigeria located the west coast of Africa, west side, west coast. Nigeria country mean the country is the importance of the Europeans. Nigeria also British colony, just like our India also British colony, classic colony. Nigeria also ruled by Britishers, just like India. Nigeria main important resource there. Important resource. What are the important resources? Oil. Oil, petrol is the main resource of Nigeria. The petrol oil located in Niger Delta, Niger River. The largest oil mines situated in Nigeria. And mangrove forest. Mangrove forest means the forest located, the forest growing in coastal area. Mangrove trees is strong trees, the very valuable furniture. Mangrove trees, oil is the important resource. The Nigerian students, the Nigerian educators, the Nigerian social and political awareness people started Nigerian liberation movement. The Europeans, I mean Britishers, the Nigerian people, black people, African people, black. The Europeans send the Nigerians, I mean black people, purpose for the plantation, working in plantation, working in industry of USA. The people completely slaves. Slaves mean without wage of workers. There is no wages of workers. Our India Vetti is the one of the social evil. Here the Nigerians send of USA purpose for the working in plantation, working in industries. The slave trade. The slave trade maintained by Europeans and Britishers. Lakhs of people migrated to America, sent to America. The people, there is no rights, there is no human being. There is no any civic rights. The people is completely working in plantations, working in industry without age, without any rights. Here, the Nigerian liberation movement first started by Macaulay. The Macaulay is the first important leader. The Nigerian liberation movement leader, Macaulay. Macaulay established Nigerian youth movement, the youth students. Nigerian youth movement first organization. Founder Macaulay. The Macaulay is the started Nigeria liberation movement. So many organizations, so many people, especially the students join in the liberation movement. Against slave trade, against colonial rule, against exploitation or plundering of the natural resources. I mean oil, mangrove trees. The Europeans, Britishers exploited mangrove trees, oil and so on. Here, Nigerian youth movement first started by Macaulay. The movement is slowly growing. After Azikiwe, Azikiwe is the extremist leader of Nigeria. Azikiwe and Macaulay joined the organization. The two members joined, and after the people established the Nigerian organizations. After Azikiwe is the most important leader of Nigerian liberation movement. The leadership of Azikiwe, the Nigeria became independent. The Nigeria became independent. What is the importance and which way? The completely extremist things, revolutionary ideas. I mean, the Azikiwe established the army, established the soldiers, improved the soldiers, and the leader supported the people. The leader, all members joined the movement. Youth students, laborers, workers, even soldiers also joined the liberation movement against the British government. The Azikiwe, under leadership of the Azikiwe, Nigeria became a independent country, the independent from Britishers. After Nigeria became a democratic country, here the Nigeria is not a democratic mode of country. Why? The leaders followed the undemocratic rule. So many minds also controlled Europeans after independence. Benefits. So many benefits of Nigerian oil mines. Oil mines also completely controlled by European multinations companies. The benefits and the importance of the oil mines controlled by the Nigerian government. The time the people against the government, oil also is the nationalization. The people demand, want and need the oil is completely nationalization. Oil benefits, oil importance of the people. I mean benefits distribution of the people. Here, one of the important leader, environmentalist. Ken Saro Viva. Name there. Name important. 3 members names there. Nigerian Liberation Movement. Number 1, Macaulay. Number 2, Azikiwe. Number 3, Ken Saro-Wiwa. Ken Saro-Wiwa, famous environmentalist. The leader against the over oil drilling of the Nigerian Delta, Niger Delta. Why? The Niger Delta region, the area is completely pollution, water pollution, air pollution. The people suffering from different diseases. The environment is completely polluted by the over drilling, oil drilling. The person against the government, against the corporation companies, oil companies. The government also punished the Ken Saro-Wiwa, Ken Saro imprisonment and hanging there also. I mean, is completely Ken Saro-Wiwa, a punishment by rulers. Why? Ken Saro-Wiwa against the government. I mean, against the oil exploitation, against the environmental pollution. The leader, important leader, Ken Saro-Wiwa also, the life is completely sake of the Nigerian people. So, Nigerian Liberation Movement is one of the movement in the national liberation movements in the countries. Nigeria, here Nigeria is the country name. Nigeria located in Africa, Western African country, especially West Coast of Africa. Okay, Nigeria is one of the liberation movement. Here our lesson, last topic, last movement of Nigerian liberation. Okay, understand the student? The Nigerian liberation, main important names there. First one, Nepal. Number 2, Azikiwe. Number 3, Ken Saro-Wiwa. The famous leaders of Nigeria. Okay, here next another lesson discuss. New lesson. 10th class students, total first chapter, second chapter, first paper, 2 chapters completed. Second paper, 13th chapter, 14th chapter and 15th chapter also completed. Okay, next new chapter discuss.